Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Hair Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye, and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you vintage hairstyles. Guys, vintage hairstyles never go out of style. They are classic, pretty, and inspired by some of the world's most iconic females. These women set the stage for some seriously gorgeous hairstyles. Today's vintage styles draw inspiration from these gorgeous ladies but are given slight modern updates. Take a look at 30 step-by-step vintage hairstyles for all hair length. Guys, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any hairstyle idea. And if you want to get this hairstyle, take a screenshot of a hairstyle which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this vintage look from any parlor. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts, hair colors, and hair styles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, please watch my videos till the end. This is very informative video for you all. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts, share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircut, hair colors, and hairstyles. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos and share them with your family member and friends. That's all in this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.